Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be debating about nature versus nurture, and our topic is child development.
Hello everyone, my name is Nature and I am genes and hereditary factors, and I believe that I am a main concept in child's development.
Well, we finally meet nature, and my name is nurture, and I'm a child's interaction with the environment. And I believe that I am a bigger factor in their development.
I believe that when a baby is a peaceful sleeper or not, that it is because of their genes. If the baby's parent is a peaceful sleeper or not, that's definitely gonna pass down to the child.
Really, nature? That's a ridiculous statement I've ever heard. I believe that if a baby's a peaceful sleeper, it depends if whether or not the baby is directly to the sunlight or how their routine is while sleeping.
I believe that that is the natural instinct that a child has when they are born.
Okay, whatever. I still think that when a baby is crying, it just depends on if the mother is always carrying the baby or always nurturing the baby, and therefore that's why the baby would cry when you put it on the floor or leave the baby in the crib.
If their parents are known to be lazy or not, it could also be passed down to their child.
Alright, I'll give it to you. That was a good point. But I still believe that a child might be active or not because of the way they were raised. For instance, if the parents put the child in sports or enforce their activities in school, they'll be more active and wanting to participate in more sports when they're older.
When a child is a slow or fast eater, it is also due to their genes.
Really, nature? Now you're talking about food? Now I'm getting super hungry. Anyways, I believe that a child is a slow eater or a fast eater, depending on how the parents feed them. Which it could be quick or slow, depending on how the parents fed them when they were a baby.
If their parent is social, then the baby is going to be social. So if their parent is shy, then the baby is going to be shy.
Okay, I see where you're going with this. So, do you want to call it a tie?